Hey everyone, right now we are in front of Tam Cave, like a very famous cave for this area. I can see that from the beginning we have so many tourists who want to come to visit, and behind me there, it's really interesting. We have like a train road, and we will walk and follow the train road to get into the cave in front of us over there. Let's go. Wow. Look at that river. Looks so nice. I'm so excited in the front of me over there. This is the cave. Yeah. Now we are in front of the cave. Yeah, right now we are in front of Tam Cave. It's like just next to the train station. This cave, this happened. People find out this cave in the War II. Yes, in the War II. So like it start from Nong Praduk station, from like Myanmar in that time. So let's go to look at inside. What do they have?
คุณหลานด้านหลังเดินไปได้
Okay, go to respect a little bit before we get in. I think better.
Un merito. Dale, dale, dale.
Yes. Now we are going inside. What do they have? If they say this cave happens in War II, it means like the last time from the War II is what 2,530. Like wow, 40 years ago, people find this area. Oh, okay. 3 and old person. They said this one like a very small hole. They scared and worried to get into there. I would like to try to go a little bit. Okay, let me try it. Be careful. Ah, yeah. This is it. Yeah, I think that home must be for all the military. They are hiding in the war too. Because this train, they... Oh yeah. There's no oxygen. Sorry. Yeah. I don't feel any oxygen here. Oh. You can see that like so many holes I think for hiding. In the war too, like we are fighting war with Japan and so many countries. So this one must be some area, some station for hiding. That's what it is. Yeah, I need to read about the story. Then I can tell you what happened right here. Yeah, right now we are just out from Glacier, yeah, Glacier Cave, and we are going to the Dead Railway. They have like a very sad history about this. For War II, the people they use like a prisoner of war to come and make the this railway. So like sometime if the road not strong enough, they use the prisoner from the war to stand under, for push themselves like this, for carry the road, for make sure that the train can go. It's like the prisoner of the war die over 2,000 prisoner. Yes, this is very sad story. But what we can count is only 2,000, but on the paper they said it's more than 2,000. The highlight of this story is when soldier from Japan try to cross to Thailand by this road, because this train they are long like 400 meters. So one time the Japan they come by the train try to get into Thailand, and we fight. Yeah, we fight a lot, and so many soldiers die. And the most sadness story is about prisoner of war. They use prisoner of war to stand under there. They have to lay their body with the cable, lay themselves there and stand and continue like this for hold the train, hold the road of train. And then the train have to go like this. You cannot imagine how hard this is, and how many they die every day for 400 meters, and every day being broken from the bullet and everything they try to hit it. And this trainway is high from the river for 10 meters. 10 meters in this time, Thai people maximum I think they tall like 165 centimeters only. You have to imagine how many guys have to stand under there and hold it. Oh my God. Yeah, finally we are in from the train, because like the date of railway since War II. The history and the highlight here is about like they use prisoner of the war for build the train railway, and over 2,000 people die over here. And like this one like a memorial of Thailand. There's one viewpoint. Something happened with us here from the War II. But now like nobody forget about this road, because we have like a very deep down with what we have lost in that time. So like and subscribe my video if you like it.